Do you need to make a photo smaller before sending or uploading it? You can resize it directly in the Samsung Gallery app. This can be useful when a photo is too large to upload or send, or when you simply want to save some storage space. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Open the photo you want to resize. Tap the edit icon at the bottom. Tap the more icon in the top right corner. Select resize. Here you will see 5 options: 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and original. For this example, let's choose 40%. This is useful when you want a smaller file for things like sharing or uploading, while still keeping a reasonable image size. Tap done. Now you have two ways to save it. You can tap save to overwrite the original photo, or if you want to keep the original, tap the more icon in the top right corner and select save copy. Let's choose save copy so the original photo stays untouched. And that's how to resize a photo in Samsung Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.